Alright, so when we get our filled panels in, we can go ahead and measure our rake measurements. So we're going to go ahead and measure from a profile, and on the barrel bulb it's going to be right on that edge right there. And we're going to measure into our 2x2. Go ahead and mark that one. Now whatever the measurement is going to be, we want to minus 1/4 of an inch. And then we're going to go ahead and measure each row going up our rake. And then we can come back and write down each measurement in order from eave to ridge, and then we'll have that list to go ahead and cut and bend our panels. Alright, so when we're ready to cut our rake pieces, we'll have all our measurements in order. Bring those down, go ahead and find that same profile we measured from, and we can go ahead, mark that, and we'll do a cut line and a bend line. Since we're folding that up 2x2, we can just use our 2x2. Bring it to the cutter. Then bring it to our bender. And fold that up since it's going up against my 2x2. Then once we get all our pile done, we'll have them in order from the eave to the ridge and hand those up ready for install. Once we've gotten our panels for our rake all cut and bent, we'll have them in that order, in that pile. And we'll just go ahead and start from the eave and work our way up to the ridge. And we'll just install these with the normal panel, have our fold going up our 2x2. And come back, bottom row, we'll fasten to the top. Make sure we get our fasteners and our back shelf as well. And we'll just grab the next one off of our pile. Fasten as normal. Continue up to my ridge.